Speech on Independence Day. Good morning to everyone present here. Respect Nazim sir and all teacher and my dear friends and others. My name is Kazi Sahil and I am very happy to speak a few words on this occasion of 80th Independence Day. Everywhere on 15 August we celebrate this day because this freedom we got by our great leader and freedom fighter of our country. Those who sacrifice for freedom from British rule, name of some them is Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bosu, Khudiram Bosu, Asfaqullah, Mir Nisar Ali. Because of them today we live in freedom. Freedom gives us the right of speak and learn. Freedom comes responsibility. We must be honest and help others and we always love our country. Let us respect our flag, our soldier and our constitution. Let us all take a flag to be good citizens and make our India proud. I am India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.